Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the speed up tricks on the POCO F7 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So first up we want to open up our settings, and the first thing I'm gonna show you is the 3 things that we need to actually disable in the developer options, but first we need to get access to them. So to do it, simply we need to click on About Phone, and in here we need to tap on the OS version until we get access to the developer options. So we need to tap, and you can see that we are now a developer. Okay, so now we need to go back, scroll down into the bottom, get into the additional settings, again scroll down into the bottom, and here it is, the developer options. Make sure they are enabled right in here. And now we need to scroll down until we find the 3 specific options. So we need to keep on scrolling until we find them. Okay, and here they are. So those 3 options that I was talking about is the animator duration scale, transition animator scale, and the window animation scale. So as you can see, currently all 3 of them are set on the 1x, but to improve the speed of your phone you can select them on 0.5 each 3, or also if you want you can select them on off. It is completely up to you. Okay, so once we have that done, we can go straight forward. So it's always good for you to uninstall apps that you are not currently using. So for example, I have selected the Netflix. To uninstall it, simply click on this icon on the right, and now it only disappeared. You can go to your app drawer by performing that move. So simply swipe up and you'll get into the app drawer, then hold on Netflix and you have this recycle bin, and then simply click on uninstall. You will always get some free space because of this action, and it also helps with the performance of your phone. Also, as you can see, we have some games in here. We can also uninstall them, but you don't need to uninstall them that way. But in my opinion, it is the most common way and the most convenient. You can also go to the settings, click on apps, and in here you have all of your apps on your phone. So let's say I don't want this Blockbust. Click on uninstall, click on OK, and as you can see, uninstalled successfully. Okay, it is also good from time to time to clear cache from some of the apps, but it's not gonna be possible for all of them. So let's say, where can we clear cache? On the Spotify, simply click on clear cache, click on OK, and that's all. That's the whole process. Alright, we can also go to the settings and into our battery and select the current mode into the ultimate mode. So by enabling the ultimate mode, the device performance will improve. You can see the information on the bottom of the screen. This might increase power consumption and lead to overheating issues. Turn on anyway. So if you choose to enable it, click on OK. Now we are in the ultimate mode. Our phone should work as fast as possible, but remember that your battery consumption will be increased, and it might lead to overheating your phone. So you should know that overheating your phone is not the best option. So I would say use this mode from time to time, because overheating your battery is not a good thing. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it unbalanced, but for if you want, you can select the ultimate mode. Okay, also, when it comes to the wallpapers, you can type. Actually, you don't need to type anything. I'm just gonna tell you that if you want to improve the speed of your phone, try to use the static wallpapers instead of the dynamic, because they will have and increase a lot of RAM and your battery, so your phone won't take as much with the static wallpaper. Okay, also, if you go to the settings, you should from time to time check if there are some updates possible. So click on About Phone, click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. As you can see, for now it's checking, and for now no updates are available. But if there will be something available to download, simply click on it, wait until the process is finished, then the phone will be restarted automatically, and then you will be ready to use. Okay. And also, from time to time, it's good to perform a simple reboot of your phone. And to do it, simply click on the power button and the volume down button to launch up the power menu. Sorry, power button and the volume up. That's my bad, because I took the screenshot right now. And simply drag this white circle into the reboot. Then release your finger. And within a few seconds, the phone will be automatically turned on again and ready to use. And if you don't have option to do this manually, for example, when your phone has been frozen and is unresponsive, you can perform the force restart. It should also help with the problems of your phone, with the lagging and other stuff. And to perform this, simply hold the power button and the volume up button until the screen goes black. I'm gonna show you the process. So we need to keep on holding until the screen goes black. Okay, now we can release our fingers. And now the phone will be automatically turned on again. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.